Hi, this is Mardi once again and welcome to my channel. Timeline of the Philippine History. 1380, Muslim Arabs arrived at the Sulu Archipelago. After the advent of Islam in 1380, Karim ul-Makdum, the first Islamic missionary to reach the Sulu Archipelago, brought Islam to what is now the Philippines, first arriving in Hulu. 1521, Ferdinand Magellan discovers the islands and names them Archipelago of San Lazaro. Magellan named the islands Islas de San Lazaro because he discovered them on the feast of Saint Lazarus in 1521. 1542, Spanish expedition commanded by Ruy Lopez de Villalobos claims the islands for Spain, names them Philippines after Prince Philip, later King Philip II of Spain. The Philippines becomes part of Spanish Empire. Ruy Lopez de Villalobos was a Spanish explorer who sailed the Pacific from Natividad, Mexico on November 1, 1542, to establish a permanent foothold for Spain in the East Indies. Villalobos gave the Philippines their name after calling them Las Islas Filipinas in honor of Philip of Austria, the Prince of Asturias at the time, who later became Philip II of Spain. 1872, Gomborza, Fathers Mariano Gomez, Jose Burgos, and Jacinto Zamora were executed by the Spaniards. On January 20, 1872, 200 Filipinos employed at the Cavite Arsenal staged a revolt against the Spanish government's voiding of their exemption from the payment of tributes. The Cavite Mutiny led to the persecution of prominent Filipinos, secular priest Mariano Gomez, Jose Burgos, and Jacinto Zamora, who would then be collectively named Gomborza, were tagged as the masterminds of the uprising. The priests were charged with treason and sedition by the Spanish Military Tribunal, a ruling believed to be part of a conspiracy to stifle the growing popularity of Filipino secular priests, and the threat they posed to the Spanish clergy. The Gomborza were publicly executed by Garrote on the early morning of February 17, 1872 at Bagumbayan. 1887, Jose Rizal publishes anti-Spanish novel Noli Me Tangere and sears up independence sentiment. The Social Cancer, original title Noli Me Tangere, novel by Filipino political activist and author Jose Rizal, published in 1887. The book, written in Spanish, is a sweeping and passionate unmasking of the brutality and corruption of Spanish rule in the Philippines from 1565 to 1898. 1892, Jose Rizal founded the civic organization La Lega Filipina. La Lega Filipina, or the Philippine League, was an organization created by Dr. Jose Rizal in the Philippines, in the house of Doroteo Onjonco at Ilaya Street, Tondo, Manila, in 1892. The organization derived from La Solidaridad and propaganda movement. 1896, Katipuneros tear their cedulas and shout in contempt of the Spaniards in what is called the Cry of Pugadlawin. The Cry of Pugadlawin was an event that officially marked the start of the Philippine Revolution against Spain. The revolt later grew in strength and spread to 8 provinces, including Manila, Bulacan, Cavite, Pampanga, Tarlac, Laguna, Batangas, and Nueva Ecija, which were eventually represented by the 8 rays of the sun in the present Filipino flag. Other definitions of the term have been made over the years, but today it is popularly understood to refer to the tiering of community tax certificates or cedulas personales by the rebels to mark their separation from Spain. This was literally accompanied by a patriotic shouts. 1897, General Emilio Aguinaldo established a new republic at Biak na Bato in Bulacan. Before July 1897, Aguinaldo and his men had already established a republican government at Biak na Bato, known as the Biak na Bato Republic. The provisional constitution of this republic was prepared by Felix Ferrer and Isabelo Artacho, who copied almost word for word the Cuban Constitution of Jimaguayo. The Biak na Bato Constitution was signed on November 1, 1897. 1896, Spanish execute Rizal for instigating insurrection. Public outrage spawns rebellion. Rizal was arrested while en route to Spain, imprisoned in Barcelona and sent back later to Manila to stand trial. He was charged with being a traitor to Spain and the mastermind of the revolution. A brief trial was held on December 26 and he pleaded his innocence, but he was still convicted on all 3 charges of rebellion, sedition, and conspiracy and sentenced to death. On December 30, 1896, he was brought out to the Luneta and executed by a firing squad. 1898, American warship Maine was blown up in Havana Harbor, triggers the Spanish-American War. The Battle of Manila Bay ensues. On February 15, 1898, an explosion of unknown origin sank the battleship USS Maine in Havana, Cuba Harbor, killing 266 of the 354 crew members. The sinking of the Maine incited United States passions against Spain, eventually leading to a naval blockade of Cuba and a declaration of war. 1898, Emilio Aguinaldo assembled the Malolos Congress in Bulacan, then declares independence in Kawit, Cavite. On June 12, 1898, Aguinaldo proclaimed Philippine independence from the window of his house in Kawit, Cavite, and waved the Philippine flag officially for the first time to the martial strains of the new national anthem. Following the proclamation of independence, Aguinaldo established a revolutionary government on June 23, 1898, under which the partly elected and the partly appointed Malolos Congress convened on September 15 to write a constitution. Thank you very much for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.